What's going on, folks? Dave Atha here. I'm gonna slap one of these adhesive measuring boards on the boat, and we're gonna run you through how to do that. So the whole purpose of the torch is to heat the adhesive up as you apply it to the boat. So what I already did was took a tape measure, centered the rectangle for it, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and start heating and slapping it down. All right, peeled back some film. Now I'm gonna heat it up and start laying it down. Got a couple of Sharpie marks, but hey, we got a nice measuring board at the back of the boat now.